In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful parallax WordPress website. So WordPress is the most popular way to create a website. So let's go over exactly what we need to create a website and also the cost to create our website. So step number one is we'll need to get a domain name, and a domain name is essentially just your website address. For example, your businessname.com, your brandname.com. The second step is to get hosting. So hosting is like a computer that is on 24/7, and that allows us to save all our website files. For example, our text and images and all the content related to our website. Step number three is we'll need to install WordPress. So WordPress is an open source content management system, and it's the most popular way to create a website. And that allows anyone to create a website without learning how to code. And it's also extremely versatile and customizable. For example, you can create a website, you can also create a blog, and also an e-commerce website on WordPress as well. Step number four is I'll show you how to create your website and also design your website step by step. So how much does a domain name cost? Normally a domain name costs around $15 every year. Hosting costs around $10 a month, but I do have a discount link below. WordPress is going to be completely free, and creating a website is also going to be free as well. So hopefully we're going to be saving a few hundred or even a few $1,000s to create this website ourselves, and it's going to be super amazing.